To everyone. Good evening na kasi 7:08 na. Unang-una, siguro pasalamatan natin at palakpakan natin ang ating mga magulang. Kasama ang ating mga driver, kasama ang ating mga professors, of course. Dahil kung hindi dahil sa kanila, ay hindi ninyo mararating kung nasan kayo. Medyo para sa iba, 4 years. Graduate 4 years na ba kayo? O 5 years? 4-year course, ano? 5 pa. 5-year course pa sa ang ano nyo, ang training. Okay. 5 years. Meron siguro ditong 6 years. Merong 7 years, 8 years. At merong, kung tawagin namin nung panahon ko, yung NCC. Yung 9 consecutive years in college. At nung batch namin, nakasabay ko yung isang NCC, nag-top 20. Nakasama sa top. Kasi siyempre, dapat magaling na siya. Biro mo, 9 years ang top. Kanina, meron kayong sa mga speeches ng mga nauna sa akin, merong nagsimula sa nursery rhyme. So nag-graduate kayo ng kindergarten. Sumunod yung ating chairman na napakaseryoso din. And then yung ating commissioner na nagbigay sa atin ng ating mga advice kung ano ang mga ating gagawin. Siguro maganda talaga kung nakinig tayo mabuti, medyo sundin natin dahil palagay ko yung sinasabi niya based on experience. Kung paano maging successful sa ano niya, pumili ng magaling na partner. Diba po? So, siguro napakagaling ng wife niya. Kaya ang ating commissioner ay very successful din. So, for your information, lawyer din yung kanyang wife. Tsaka matapang na lawyer yata. Uso sa amin yung mga matatapang kasi kanina may isilan yung speech ko eh. Kasi nandito kanina yung wife ko, nakikinig din. Ngayon medyo pwede akong habaan ng konti. But I'll give you the closing remark. Kasi mahirap pagka ikaw yung pinakabata sa board. At saka yung pinaka-junior. So laging binibigay sa aking assignment. Sabi nga, ito na lang. Kanina nag-o-taking sa CPM ka. O ngayon, closing remark ka. So pag nagtatrabaho, yung pinakamalaking trabaho, ito gawin mo. Wala tayong magagawa. Lagi nating sinusunod yung mga nakakatanda sa atin. At kayo rin, dapat lagi yung iisipin mabuti at susunod dun sa mga advice ng mas nakakatanda sa inyo. Dahil, siyempre, may mga experience na yan na tayo, hindi pa natin na-experience. Sila sanay na eh. If they have fallen for several times, kung 10 silang nadapa at bumangon or 20, baka pwede na natin i-lesson using their experiences. Baka yung 10 dapa, baka tayo 5 dapa lang. So as we close this ceremony, again, I would like to extend my congratulations to all proud parents, guardians, and friends. And to you, exam passers. Medyo mahirap nang pumasa. Although ngayon, 62% ang passing natin. And hopefully in the near future, medyo mas tumaas pa. Kami sa board, medyo nalulungkot kami kapag yung mababa yung passing rate. And
sa mga subjects namin at nalulungkot kami kapag nakikita kami na pumasa sa ibang subject tapos biglang nagkaroon ng grade ng less than 50, although yung average still passing. However, under our law ay hindi pa rin siya pwedeng pumasa. So we are actually saddened. Gusto namin mag-taas yung passing rate. However, we need to maintain yung competence at saka yung minimum standard of our professional practice. Kaya meron tayong ganito. But again, sabi nga, sometimes if I may give you one example, last year yung isang professional mechanical engineer natin na nag-oath, no? Nag-graduate siya ng technical vocational. Nagtayo siya ng refrigeration shop. At dun sa refrigeration shop na yon, pag nakikipag-meeting daw siya, tinutuya siya ng ibang mga kasama niya. Dahil yung ibang mga kasama niya sa meeting, mechanical engineers. Na-essensyo, siya ang tawag sa kanya PLE, parang mechanical engineer. So dahil lagi siyang tinutuya, nagpursige siya na makapag-exam ng licensure exam. So he took the ETIAP direction. Meron niyang equivalency, yung mga nag-take dito ng TechVoc, yung mga nag-CPM, ng mechanical technology. I hope you will pursue. You will still pursue yung mechanical engineering profession. So, wag din kayong maging kontento na nakapag-CPM kayo at nagkaroon kayo ng license for CPM. I hope kumuha pa rin kayo. Ituloy nyo yan at kumuha pa rin kayo ng license exam ng mechanical engineering. Okay. So, nakuha niya ang equivalency by ETIAP. Kumuha siya ng board exam. Bagsak. So, hindi naman siya nawala ng pag-asa. After a year, kumuha uli siya ng exam. Bagsak na naman. So, medyo nawala na daw siya ng kumpiyansa. So, nagpahinga muna. And then afterwards, bumalik, sabi niya, ito, last na. So, kumuha uli siya. And dun sa third try na, pumasa na siya. So, last year, nag-PLE naman siya. And you know why? He is one of the most successful mechanical contractor dyan sa Cebu. May project siya all over the Philippines. So, gano'n na siya. So, maaring dun sa iba nating kasamahan na hindi pinalad ngayon, sabihan nyo sila na mag-try ulit, mawala ng pag-asa. At sa buhay natin, kung tayo ay minsan ay makasalubong ng balakid, if we fall, dapat kung gaano kabilis yung ating pagbagsak, kailangan yung pagtayo natin. We should stand faster and stronger. Hindi dapat pagtayo natin ay lalambot-lambot. Dapat pagtayo natin, we should be stronger. Nawala na yata yung binabasa ko. This day marks the beginning of a new chapter in your life. And we celebrate your hard work, dedication, and perseverance that have led you here. As professionals, you are now expected to demonstrate your commitment to uphold the values and principles of your chosen field and to serve with integrity. Tandaan natin, integrity, honor, and excellence. You are now part of a distinguished community of professionals who have the power to make a significant impact in your in our respective field of practice, in mechanical engineering professional practice. As you have taken your oath today, I urge you to always strive for the highest standards of professionalism and excellence in all that you do. Professional na po tayo. Hindi na po tayo yung totoy at nene ng mga magulang natin. Napipil ko yan kasi may anak din akong right now graduating student ng mechanical engineering. So, next year, mag-take siya ng exam. At pag nag-take siya ng exam, I will have to inhibit myself from giving the exam. Swerte niya. Remember that you have a responsibility to serve with integrity, honesty, and compassion. Lagi natin magkakalimutan yung compassion. And to always put the needs and welfare of others first. Others first before us. Lagi yun, ha? Others first before us. Kaya ito yung practice natin, eh. Dahil others first before us. I am confident that you will go on to achieve great things and make a positive impact in your chosen field. Kasi pwede kayong pumasok sa construction industry, pwede kayong pumasok sa commercial establishments, power plant, industrial plant engineering, and many more. Kasi we have at least 20 plus specialization in our field of mechanical engineering. Once again, congratulations on your achievements, and may your journey be filled with success, fulfillment, and the joy that comes with making a difference. Congratulations, everyone, and thank you very much.
Closing remark, Borja.
Thank you very much, Honorable Borja. Just an announcement to those who want to have a picture-taking session with the board and the commissioner after this program. You may do so by entering here on the left side of the stage and exiting through the right side of the stage in an orderly manner. Our staff will be doing the marshalling. Thank you.